Welcome to learners. In this video, we'll learn 30 useful action verbs for daily life. You'll see visuals with meaning in your language. For forms present, past, past participle, present participle. A quick quiz to test your learning. Watch, understand, and use these verbs in your own sentences. Practice often to speak more fluently and confidently. Let's get started.
Shout. Forfeit. Mask. Frame. Trundle. Broach. Embody. Splutter. Confirm. Scabbard. Reckon. Confront. Defy. Oppose. Resound. Abut. Confine. Organize. Accept. Constrict. Postpone. Commit. Acknowledge. Codify. Brighten. Glare. Girdle. Configure. Command. Constrain.
Thank you for watching all the slides patiently. You have now reached the second part of the video. In this section, we will learn the present, past, past participle, and present participle forms of all verbs. Let us proceed.
Shout. Shouted. Shouted. Shouting. Forfeit. Forfeited. Forfeited. Forfeiting. Mask. Masked. Masked. Masking. Frame. Framed. Framed. Framing. Trundle. Trundled. Trundled. Trundling. Broach. Broached. Broached. Broaching. Embody. Embodied. Embodied. Embodying. Splutter. Spluttered. Spluttered. Spluttering. Confirm. Confirmed. Confirmed. Confirming. Scabbard. Scabbarded. Scabbarded. Scabbarding. Reckon. Reckoned. Reckoned. Reckoning. Confront. Confronted. Confronted. Confronting. Defy. Defied. Defied. Defying. Oppose. Opposed. Opposed. Opposing. Resound. Resounded. Resounded. Resounding. Abut. Abutted. Abutted. Abutting. Confine. Confined. Confined. Confining. Organize. Organized. Organized. organizing, accept, accepted, accepted, accepting, constrict, constricted, constricted, constricting, postpone, postponed, postponed, postponing, commit, committed, committed, committing, acknowledge, acknowledged, acknowledged, acknowledging, codify, codified, codified, codifying, brighten, brightened, brightened, brightening, glare, glared, glared, glaring, girdle, girdled, girdled, girdling, configure, configured, configured, configuring, command, commanded, commanded, commanding, constrain, constrained, constrained, constraining.
Learners, I'm going to ask you a few questions to check how well you've learned. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We believe this video is tremendously useful to you. Please share it with your students, friends, and family members so they can also learn and benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English learning videos.